Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I've got 6 of my Mini GTs to be unboxed. I've got a couple of Mercedes-Benz, a couple of Bentley Mulliner Bacalar's, and I've got a couple of BMWs. I got 2 of these because I really love the model and I like the color schemes. One's silver and one's black or blue. I didn't get the black one because they also made a black one. So I might start off with the Mercedes-Benz and look at the Bentleys and BMWs as well, either in a sequence or just random. Alright, let's start off with the Mercedes-Benz. I've seen this in person at Malaysia, at the Kuala Lumpur airport in Malaysia. Looks pretty neat and beautiful. I love the model. Mercedes-Benz EQS 580 4MATIC. Alright, let's get him out of the pack and take a closer look. Then I'll pop him on the turntable as well. Okay, got the car out. Hats off to Mini GT guys. They always seem to do a magnificent job with their releases. Love the rubber tires, the chrome rims, the Mercedes logo as a center wheel cap. Beautiful front grille, side mirrors, sunroof, pretty detailed plastic taillights, logo, and a EQS as a license plate. Just fabulous. Alright, I'll put them on the turntable now. Alright, I might just go with the Bentley Mulliner Bacalar Scarab Green color scheme, just to keep a bit of variety between the brands. Alright, closer look and then I'll put them on the turntable. Got the car out of the packaging. It's a beautiful green convertible. Looks amazing, guys. I love the five-spoke rim, the Bacalar on the side livery. Hope you guys can see that. Not a lot of detailing on the inside, but still pretty happy with it. Beautiful black grille, plastic headlights. Alright, I'll put them on the turntable. Alright, I'll go with the BMW next. This one's a BMW M3. I've also got another M3 from Mini GT in Gulf livery, the sky blue and orange livery. But I quite like the M3, so I got a couple more. I've got a resin model 1/64 scale by a brand called Scale Mini out of China. And then I've also got a almost real white BMW M3. But that's for another day, guys. I'll get him out of the pack and take a closer look. Just take a look at this, guys. Beautiful chrome and gold rims. Awesome livery. Black color scheme with gold livery and decals, plastic taillights, blinkers, chrome exhaust, beautiful BMW logo, M3, rear spoiler. It's got a nice chrome logo, headlights and a grille. Simply beautiful, guys. Metal chassis. I really like Mini GT releases, guys. Simply awesome. Alright, I'll put them on the turntable. Okay, let's continue with the BMW M4 by Mini GT. It's a beautiful Austin yellow metallic color scheme. Number 43, part of Mini GT's release sequence numbers. Alright, I'll get him out of the pack. Another fabulous release by Mini GT, guys. Just look at those beautiful chrome rims, Austin yellow color scheme, chrome exhaust, plastic tail lights, BMW M4 on the license plate, BMW logo, a bit of carbon fiber on the rooftop, well detailed front, plastic headlights, plastic black grille with chrome accents, beautiful BMW logo. Just fabulous, guys. Just absolutely love these releases. Metal chassis. Alright, let's take a 360 look now. Okay, last two, guys. I'll go with the Bentley Molinaro Bacalar, and this one's got a yellow flame color scheme. I quite like the model. That's why I ended up buying two. It's the exact same thing, just different color schemes, guys. But yeah, I just quite like Bentleys. Just look at the finishing, guys. Pretty neat. Highly detailed. Beautiful Bentley logo on the back. Plastic taillights, chrome exhaust, Bacalar on the lower back. 5-spoke rims, plastic grille, Bentley logo, plastic headlights, side mirrors, metal chassis, the usual. Alright, time to take a 360 look. Alright guys, we're down to the last one in today's unboxing video. It's the Mercedes-Benz EQS 580 4MATIC blue metallic. I love the model, like I said earlier, so I ended up buying two. I didn't get the black one. So I've got the metallic blue, navy blue, and the silver. So let's take a closer look. Just look at that, guys. Beautiful metallic blue, navy blue color scheme, plenty of chrome accents. I love the grille with the Mercedes-Benz logo. Plastic headlights, side mirrors. 10-spoke rims with the Mercedes logo on the center wheel caps. Chrome accents along the sides and door handles. Beautiful plastic taillights all across the boot of the trunk. EQS on the license plate. Simply superb, guys. And that's the only reason I got them in 2 different color schemes. And it's got a nice sunroof as well. Alright, time for a 360 look. Alright guys, we're at the end of the video now. That's all the cars we had to look at in today's unboxing video. We had to look at a couple of Mercedes-Benz EQS 580s. We had to look at a couple of Bentley Mulliner Bacalars. And we had to look at a BMW M3 and a BMW M4. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did doing it. As always, stay blessed. God bless you all. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in my next unboxing video.